Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can uninstall, delete, or remove QR code scanner app on a mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone and I'm going to show you 3 methods to uninstall QR code scanner application. The first one, you can go to your settings application on your mobile phone and then you're going to go to the app setting. Wait, I'm going to open up my settings and here we need to go to the apps. Where is it? Okay, right here. Go to the apps and then you're going to scroll down until you find the QR code scanner or QR code reader. Or actually you can simply go to the search menu and then you can search for the application. If you find it's difficult to find it, here I'm just going to go to the search bar and then I'm going to search for QR and barcode scanner. We can click on the application to open it, and if you want to uninstall this application from your mobile phone, you can click on uninstall here and then the application will be removed from your mobile phone. Okay, and then the second method, you can go to the Play Store. All right, and then you're going to go to the manage apps and device right here and then go to the manage. All right, and then you can search for the QR code scanner app. You can scroll down and okay, this one guys, and then you can click on the application and then you can simply click on uninstall here. Okay, or actually you can go to the search bar in the Google Play Store and then you can search for QR code scanner. Okay, this is the application I have installed and we can click on uninstall. Okay, and then the third method I'm going to show you is uninstalling the application from our app screen here. The step is very simple actually. This is the easiest method maybe. So you just need to tap and hold on the application. Oops, sorry. You can tap and hold on the application until this option appear on your screen and then you can simply click on uninstall and then you can click on OK. Okay guys, and that's all the way to uninstall QR code scanner app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.